Alright guys, so I just had I literally was stuck in the middle of the road on the right hand side of the road, and my drive shaft just broke. If it happens to any of you guys, strapped it. So far it held, it literally allowed me to come out from the middle of the road, and at least, you know, I was literally right there on the right hand side, so the whole thing just broke off. This is the parts. For some reason the damn bolt snapped off. So if you ever have this happen to you, it's just the idea that came to my mind to put a strap on it, see if it held. So update on the yoke. So I called the first roadside, and he basically couldn't find the parts. He said that he was probably gonna have to order them from Volvo overnight and get it shipped until tomorrow. And then he said it was gonna get expensive because he had to come and do the drive shaft if it was bent, and started sounding to me like it was gonna get super expensive. So I told him thank you, I'll just have somebody from Chicago come in and pick me up. So then I called the people in Chicago that I know, but they're on something else today, so I couldn't get anybody to come from Chicago. So now I called this third roadside guy, and same thing. He called the Volvo dealer in Fort Wayne, Indiana. He was able to find the U-bolts, but not the yoke. He said they can get it for tomorrow 7 in the morning, but I can't wait until tomorrow 7 in the morning. So I'm looking at the yoke where the bolts got broken. So I asked the guy, I'm like, is there any way, you know, I don't know if you can extract those bolts. You can get the U-bolts. Why don't you extract the bolts, put in the U-bolts, and then once I'm back in Chicago, I can get the yoke replaced over there. So, you know, I don't waste any more time, or I don't want to get a tow truck, unless I have to, you know, but I'm not trying to spend that much money on a tow truck. So that's what he's gonna do. So I've been here probably maybe 2 hours already. He should be here in a minute. So I'll record a little bit more once he arrives, and a little bit of the process that he's gonna do. All right guys, so after 2 hours, road service is here.
well, there's a lot of shops around here. They won't mess with Volvos. Yeah, dude, Volvo and Mac just do weird shit.
Alright guys, so summary from last night's ordeal with the yoke and the bolts there. So the guy wanted to charge me $1,000, which I thought it was way too much money what he was trying to charge me. So I offered him $800. You can bash me in the comments if you want for offering less than what he was charging. Why did I offer him $800? Not that I mean, yeah, he put me back on the road, but you know, $1,000, I thought it was way too much money. So anyways, he was able to extract those bolts and kind of messed up a little bit with messed up the threads a little bit, but you know, he got me out on the road, and that was it. So